Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning kids. Today we will learn from textbook page 62 and 63. I want you to read the textbook first, and then after you read, you watch this video and try to understand it.
It's Wednesday afternoon and Ted and Faye are in class. Every month they have a cooking competition.
I'm making noodle soup, Miss Tulip.
Are there any vegetables in your noodle soup, Ted?
Yes, of course.
Faye isn't very good at cooking. She doesn't like it very much.
Faye, you've got some meat, some tomatoes and a pineapple. What are you making?
It's a surprise.
This month Ted wins the cooking competition. Faye is sad. Her food is always bad.
Congratulations, Ted. Your noodle soup is delicious.
Thanks, Miss.
That evening at home, Faye tells her dad about the competition.
Faye, let's cook together.
Okay, Dad.
For 1 month, Faye and her dad cook and cook and cook. Today is the cooking competition.
Faye, you've got some flour, some milk, some chocolate and some eggs. What are you making?
It's a surprise, Miss.
Miss Tulip is tasting the food. Sally's chocolate cake is very good, and Ted's chocolate biscuits are great too. And now it's Faye's turn.
Would you like some chocolate pancakes, Miss Tulip?
Yes, please. This is delicious. Great job, Faye. You're the winner.
Okey, tajuk cerita kita hari ini ialah The Cooking Competition, iaitu pertandingan memasak.
It's Wednesday afternoon and Ted and Faye are in class.
Pada hari Rabu tengah hari, Ted and Faye berada dalam kelas.
Every month they have a cooking competition.
I'm making
Pada setiap bulan mereka akan ada pertandingan memasak.
noodle soup, Miss Tulip.
Ted kata dia sedang buat mi sup.
Are there any vegetables in your noodle soup, Ted?
Yes.
Miss Tulip tanya, ada tak sayur dalam vegetables? Ada tak sayur dalam noodle soup? Ted kata, yes, of course, ya ada.
Of course.
Faye isn't very good at cooking.
Faye isn't very good at cooking. Maksudnya Faye ni tak pandai sangat masak.
She doesn't like it very much.
Dia tak berapa suka memasak.
Faye, you've got some meat, some tomatoes and a pineapple.
Miss Tulip kata, Faye, kamu ada daging, ada tomato dan ada nanas.
Oh, what are you making?
Awak nak buat apa dengan semua tu?
It's a surprise.
Surprise, kejutan, Faye kata.
This month Ted wins the cooking competition. Faye is sad.
Pada bulan ini, Ted menang pertandingan memasak. Faye is sad, dia sedih.
Her food is always bad.
Dia punya makanan selalu tak sedap.
Congratulations, Ted.
Tanya,
Your
Ted.
noodle soup is
Mi
delicious.
sup kamu
Thanks,
sangat
Miss.
sedap.
That evening at home, Faye tells her dad about the competition.
Faye, let's cook.
Pada petang itu, ketika Faye balik rumah, dia bagi tahu ayah dia tentang pertandingan itu. Kemudian ayahnya mengajak Faye masak bersama-sama.
Together.
Okay, Dad.
For 1 month, Faye and her dad cook and cook and cook. Today is the
Setiap hampir 1 bulan, Faye dengan ayahnya masak untuk pertandingan tersebut. Dan tibanya hari pertandingan memasak sekali lagi.
cooking competition.
Faye, you've got some flour, some milk, some chocolate and some eggs. What are you making?
It's a surprise, Miss.
Faye, Miss Tulip kata Faye ada susu, ada tepung, ada coklat dan ada telur. Awak nak buat apa? Faye kata, ya kejutan.
Miss Tulip is tasting the food. Sally's chocolate cake is very good.
Miss Tulip rasa coklat kek Sally dan dia rasa sangat sedap. Sebenarnya bukan Sally ni, Faye sepatutnya. Dia salah tulis lah kot.
And Ted's chocolate biscuits are great too.
Dan biskut coklat Ted pun sedap.
And now it's Faye's turn.
Dan sekarang dia giliran Faye untuk menang.
Would you like some chocolate pancakes, Miss Tulip?
Yes, please. This is delicious.
This is delicious. Miss Tulip suka dan mengatakan pancake Faye sedap.
Great job, Faye. You're the winner.
Dan akhirnya Faye pun menang.
Great.
Okay, the value from the story is practice maths perfect. Maksudnya pengajaran daripada cerita ini, semakin banyak kita buat latihan, semakin sempurna hasilnya. Macam Faye, makin banyak latihan masak dia buat, makin pandai dia masak. Begitu juga kamu kat sekolah, makin banyak latihan kamu buat, makin pandai kamu dalam sesuatu subjek tersebut. Okay, now time to do workbook page 49. Okay, number 1, read the story again and answer the questions. Baca balik cerita tadi, kemudian kita akan jawab soalan ini berdasarkan cerita yang kita baca, ya. Okay, number 1, what is Ted making? Apa yang Ted buat? The answer is, he is making a noodle soup. Okay, dia sedang membuat mi soup. Okay, write the answer. Okay, number 2, has Faye got any onions? Berdasarkan gambar tu, Faye ada bawang tak? So kalau tengok gambar tak ada, so the answer is no, she hasn't. Tak ada, dia tak ada bawang. Alright. Number 3, who wins the competition? Okay, who wins the competition? Faye or Ted? Okay, Ted wins the competition. Number 4, is Faye happy? Adakah Faye gembira? Okay, look at the picture. She's very sad. So no, she isn't. Alright. Number 5, has Faye got milk and eggs? Ada tak telur dan susu atas meja dia berdasarkan gambar yang ditunjukkan? Yes, she has. And number 6, does Miss Tulip like Faye's chocolate pancakes? Miss Tulip suka tak lempeng coklat Faye? Yes, she does. Alright. Do you like the story? Choose and colour. Okay, awak suka tak cerita tadi? Kalau suka, warna yang gambar pertama, senyum ni. Kalau biasa-biasa je, gambar kedua. Kalau tak suka, gambar tak. Okay, kalau suka, gambar pertama. Alright. And then after you finish all the exercise, only one page, hanya satu muka surat je, dah siap. Submit your work in Google Classroom. Ambil gambar dengan jelas dan hantar ke dalam Google Classroom. That's all for today. Thank you.